Have you ever finished a beautiful wood project and had no idea what to charge for it? Many talented makers work hard but still sell their project for less than they worth. The truth is, pricing is not about guessing, it's about knowing the value of your work. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will share you some simple way to price your handmade wooden craft fairly so you can earn a profit while keeping customers happy. So watch the video until the end to see today's our idea and get inspiration. You don't need complicated formula or business experience. Whether you sell at crafts fair, online, or to friends and neighbors, these easy tips can help you to price your handcrafted with confidence. Let's get started. Your time has value. Every project takes time. Planning, building, sanding, finishing, and cleaning all counts. Don't forget the hours you invest. Your skill have value. Your time deserves to be respected. Count every materials. The wood is not only part of the cost. Think about the glue, screw, handles, paint, and finishes. Some small supplies end up over time. Even the little thing matters. Knowing your cost helps you to avoid losing money. Don't forget everyday expenses. Every project uses supply behind the scene. Sandpaper wears out, brushing needs replacing, packaging costs money. These small expenses should be included in your price. Build a quality people can see. Customers notice neat work, smooth surface, and clean details make a difference. Good craftsmanship builds trust. People are happy to pay more for quality. Care and attention always show in the finishes project. Make sure your work stands out. Add your own creative style. Small details makes every project memorable. A unique design is hard to compare with mass-produced products. Handmade items should feel special. Original idea increased value. Research similar products. Look at what others handmade items sell for. Compare projects that are similar in size and style. Notice what customers are willing to pay. Learn from the market. Then create prices that reflect your own quality. Leave room for profit. Selling for the costs of materials is not enough. Your goal is to grow your hobby into something rewarding. A fair price allows you to buy materials more. It also helps you woodworking continue. Healthy business earn more than they spend. Don't be afraid to charge fairly. Many beginners charge too little. Low price can make quality woodwork seem less valuable. Believe in your craftsmanship. Price with confidence. Customers who appreciate and would make work understand its value. Build a reputation, not just a product. Happy customers often come back. They also recommended your work to others. Great service adds value. Honest communication builds trust. A strong reputation is one of your greatest business tools. The best price is one that works for everyone. Your customers should feel happy with the purchase. You should feel reward for the effort. Fair pricing creates long-term success. Everyone wins when value and quality come together. That's the foundation of a successful handmade business. Stop comparing handmade work to factory product. Handmade projects are different from mass-produced items. Factory products are made by machine in huge number. Your work is made with care and attention. Every piece is unique. Customers who appreciate handmade products understand that difference. Tell a story behind the project. People love knowing where a piece came from. Share who who the value. uh, Share how the wood was chosen. Explain what inspired the design. Customers often connect with stories more than material. A good story can make a project even more valuable. Small details create big value. Sometimes it's the little touch that people notice most. Round edge, smooth finishes, and a thoughtful design stand out. These details takes extra effort. Extra effort deserve fair compensation. Quality is one often found in the smallest detail. Confidence helps you sell. If you don't believe in your work, the customers may not either. Speak proudly about your project. Focus on the value they provide. Let your craftsmanship speak for itself. Confidence can make a big difference even selling. Not every customer is your customer. Some people only want the cheapest option. That's okay. Your goal is to find customers who appreciate handmade quality. Focus on people who value craftsmanship. Those customers are more likely to become repeating customers. Create products people can use every day. Useful items often sell more easily. Functional decor combines with beauty and purpose. Customers love items that fit naturally in their lives. Presentation matters. First, impressions are important. Clean photos attract attention. Neat packaging creates excitement. A professional, a professional appearance builds trust. Sometimes, presentation almost as important as the product itself. Learn what customers love the most. Pay attention to which product gets the most interest. Notice which design people ask about. Look for patterns. Popular products often reveals new opportunity. Customers' feedback is valuable information. Build a connection instead of one product. Customers often like matching items. A collection creates a strong brand. Similar designs can encourage additional sales. People enjoy decorating with coordinate pieces. Collections often increase overall value. Don't rush to lower price. When sales are slow, many makers immediately reduce price. Sometimes the problem is not the price. It could be the photo, the presentation, or audience. Focus on improving visibility before reducing value. Great craftsmanship deserves fair pricing. Handmade means limited. Your project is not produced by the thousands. Every item requires your time and attention. Limited available can increase appeal. Customers appreciate owning something unique. Scarcity often adds value. Turning perfection into character. Natural woods have knobs, color variation, and unique patterns. These features make every project different. Instead of hiding them, celebrate them. Customers often love natural character. Unique details can become selling points. Build trust through honesty. Always describe your products accordingly. Be clear about size, material, and features. Honest communication creates happy customers. Happy customers leave positive review. Trust is one of the most valuable assets in a business. Think long term. One sale is good. Repeated customers are even better. Focus on building relations. Deliver quality every time. Long-term success comes from consistency. Remember what you are really selling. You are not just selling wood. You are selling creativity. You are selling craftsmanship. You are selling time, effort, and skill. Most importantly, you are selling something that can't be copied a factory. Handmade products add personality to a home. Many people want their home to feel unique. Handmade items bring warmth and character. They stay out from ordinary store-bought decor. Customers are often willing to pay more for something special. Personal touch creates emotional value. Learn to explain the value. Customers may not know how much work goes into a project. Help them understand what makes it special. Talk about quality, durability, and design. Share the care beyond the process. Educate customers are often more comfortable paying fair price. Build your brand over time. People remember consistent quality. Use a recognizable style. Create a product that reflects your personality. Over time, your work becomes easier to recognize. Strong brand can command higher price. Every project improves your skills. The most you build, the better you become. Better skill often lead to better product. Better products often justify high price. Growth is part of the journey. Keep learning and keep improving. Success starts with valuing your own work. Before customers value your craftsmanship, you must value it yourself. Respect the effort you put into every build. Respect the creative behind each design. Respect the time it takes to create something beautiful. When you recognize your value, pricing becomes much easier. In the end, building a successful handmade crafts business is not only about making beautiful projects, it's all about understanding their true value. Fair pricing allows you to continue creating, improving, and growing. Remember, customers are not simply buying a product, they are buying craftsmanship, creativity, and stories they can bring into their home. Keep building quality piece, keep learning from every sale, and never underestimate the value of your skill and hard work. If today's video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with woodworker craftsmanship. Tell us in the comment section which handmade project has earned you the most profit so far. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed.